Today is December 12th, 2022, and this is Simon Says. Thank you for participating in all the SEC challenges this term. I really enjoyed seeing your pictures and reading your writing. Now, we have one last challenge. Listen carefully. What is the scientific name of the phenomena happening behind me? Okay, send me an email. Tell me what it's called, but the scientific name. Good luck. Welcome to week 7. You're almost there. Let me tell you what's happening in the SEC this week. On Monday, we do not have an activity. Relax, rest, enjoy your break after your practice exam. On Tuesday, we're going to have our last listening lab. Come, practice your listening skills. On Wednesday, our EAP 550 students are presenting their academic posters. Susanna, what's an academic poster?
Hi everyone, I would like to invite you for a 550 poster presentation this Wednesday. 550 students are presenting their research, and when you come to the poster presentation, you can practice your listening skills, you can practice your note-taking skills, and you can also practice your communication skills, asking 550 students about their research. All these skills will be useful for you on the final exam. Most importantly, you will support your peers in their learning and their journey. We are really looking forward to seeing you there, and everyone is invited. Are you ready for your poster presentation?
Yes! On Thursday, we have our last conversation club, and I have something special planned, something tasty. So come find out what it is. And then on Friday, we have our annual EAP Potluck Party at 11 o'clock. So our theme this year is Festive Fun. What does this mean? Well, wear something festive. Maybe you'd like to wear an ugly sweater or something that you enjoy wearing. Maybe something that's red or green or white or sparkly. It's up to you. Wear something that makes you think party. Because it's a potluck, I invite you to bring something small to share. So in the past, students have made something, or they've bought chips or donuts or candy. It's up to you. But the idea is everybody brings a little bit, and then everybody has a little bit to eat. Let's look ahead to next week. So on Monday, December 19th, we will not have any SEC workshops. However, I will be in my office if you need help, so come by. Then on Tuesday, December 20th, you have your final exam. Good luck.
I want to get AirPods.
Of course, I want to get a new stick.
I want to have a headphone.
As for me, I want a LeBron James jersey in Lakers.
I want to have a PlayStation 5.
I want to have a new headphone.
I want the money to buy clothes and shoes.
I want to get international driver license.
Finally, there are only 2 Kahoots left. This Wednesday, you can invite your teacher to the ACC to play with you, as the questions will be about Canada. It is your chance to shuffle the ranking. The final cup will be on Friday during the potluck party. I am very curious who will be the winner this term.
And this was